What a showdown it was at Anfield. Liverpool and Manchester United battled it out in a thrilling 2-2 draw in the Premier League. From stunning goals to nail-biting moments, this game had it all. Let's break down the highlights. Scene 1, first half action. From the first whistle, both teams looked determined. Manchester United struck first in the 18th minute, with Marcus Rashford finding space and delivering a clinical finish past Alisson. The away fans erupted as United took the lead. But Liverpool didn't stay quiet for long. Just 12 minutes later, Mohamed Salah showcased his brilliance. A deft touch, a quick turn, and a powerful strike leveled the game at 1-1. The Anfield crowd was roaring. Scene 2. Second half drama. The second half started with even more intensity. In the 62nd minute, Cody Gakpo stepped up with a stunning finish after a perfectly timed assist from Trent Alexander-Arnold. Liverpool had turned the game on its head, leading 2-1, but Manchester United wasn't done. Bruno Fernandes, the captain, delivered a pinpoint cross in the 78th minute, setting up Jadon Sancho for the equalizer. It was a textbook header that silenced the home crowd and made it 2-2. Scene 3, closing moments. The final stages of the game were heart-stopping. Alisson and De Gea both pulled off incredible saves to keep their teams in the game. Despite relentless pressure from both sides, neither could find the winner, and the game ended in a dramatic 2-2 draw. Scene 4, match summary. Reactions. This game had everything: skill, passion, and goals in Salah and Gakpo shone for Liverpool, while Rashford and Sancho proved their worth for United. Both teams shared the spoils, but this performance will have fans talking for weeks. Closing scene, call to action. What did you think of this intense rivalry match? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Premier League highlights and analysis. See you next time.